This is your unique epic moments. This cat is trying to pick up this crying baby like a baby kitten. She hugged him and helped him to relax. She is doing exactly what cats do when their kittens are upset.
Dior wants to make sure you're okay. She hears you crying and she's worried about you.
This cat mom wants her 1-week-old kitten to meet her adorable little friend. She is teaching him that the dog is not a threat but a breathing pillow. Otter parents are teaching their young how to swim, but the babies were scared to jump, so the parents showed them how it's done, and they finally followed after. Those ducks are having such a good time. They are enjoying their swimming party. This is so cute.
No.
This girl calls for her lovely friend to come out, and he joyfully runs at her.
Dum Dum! Bubby! There he is! Hi! Oh, everybody's coming.
He was so happy to see his human friend, and his reaction to her says a lot about her. This is adorable.